Alright, this is the elevator at Catonsville Plaza in Catonsville, Maryland. It just goes up to a spa, I think, whatever that is, on the floor. Middle-aged Series 1, and it's glass. Here we go. There you get a lovely view of the parking lot. There is a suite for lease up here, but this tenant is mostly just the spa. Solantra Select Suites, or whatever the fuck. Nice classic leveling. There is no logo, so this is probably a mod of some kind. I just don't know what. Stuff all over these walls. Take one more ride, if no one's waiting. Even though I said if no one's waiting, we're still going to take another ride. I said that already. Just 2 and 3. I don't know why. The first floor of the center is like another grade below. You can't even access it from here. 2,500 pounds. I do believe this is the only one here. All these buttons are worn down except for call cancel. Catonsville Plaza, 5447 Baltimore National Pike, and that phone is nasty. Alright, there it goes. Hope you enjoyed.